some wise old space monk, man. Nah, I vibe where the swamp air's thick with neon. Bass in my hands, stars in my lungs, and a gator that side-eyes everyone. You came here for answers? Bad call, friend. I got cosmic secrets, but I don't pretend. Wanna know the meaning of life? That's cute. Let me play you a note that'll rip time into nebula snacks and bass attacks. Turn your bones to waves and your mind to cracks. Y'all take the universe way too serious. Let me show you the sound of delirious. Big Neb don't trust you, look at his face. That's a gator that's seen too much at his place. He don't do tricks, won't shake no hands, but he'll watch me melt your whole damn plans. Y'all talk fate like it's set in stone, but my baseline bends the laws you've known. One low note and the sky gets thin. You ever seen a sunrise? Just cave in. Nebula snacks and bass attacks. Light turns liquid, time collapses. You want the truth? Ain't no facts, just waves in the void and sound that cracks. Bass, y'all talk fate like it's set in stone, but my baseline bends the laws you've known. One low note and the sky gets thin. You ever seen a sunrise? Just cave in. Nebula snacks and bass attacks. Light turns liquid, time collapses. You want the truth? Ain't no facts, just waves in the void and sound that cracks. Yeah, that's the good stuff. Oh, you're still here? Platinum Father tried to preach, man, I just played. Dropped a note so low, his speakers decayed. Propaganda war, I hijacked the feed. Turned a sermon into metal speed. Heroes and villains, man, that's a joke. The cosmos don't care if you bend or if you broke. Y'all tryna win, I just exist. To my bass, to the void, and blew it a kiss. Nebula snacks and bass attacks. Black holes dance and timelines crack. Think you're real? Think again. The beat rewrites the way things end. Big Neb growls, unimpressed. Zarvak grins, playing the last note. Man, I really hope y'all weren't attached to this dimension.